Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
My low back, sciatic. I have scar tissue buildup, and it's from the sciatic up toward the mid torso.
Mid torso, so you feel it in the piriformis and the buttock area.
Yes, from the falls that I've had. I've had like 3 falls.
3 falls
within the last year.
Okay.
From actually starting in 2016, May 2016.
Sure.
I slipped and fell on wood floors.
And you landed in your buttock.
And I landed
all the falls, you landed on the buttock. Yep.
Yeah. And again, I fell in August of 2016.
Okay.
That time, I passed out.
Oh, wow.
And I not only landed on my buttocks, but then
you hit your head.
I hit my head.
So you hit it right in here in the back of your head?
I hit it here, and there was a big swelling that came of it. So through time, I massaged it, but then they had to lance it because it got infected.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
wow.
So then that healed, but then, so that was August of 2016, and then New Year's Eve day of 2017.
Okay, we are in 2018, January 2018. Okay.
So a year ago, this past January, I slipped on concrete steps again.
And you landed on...
again, I landed on the right side.
You always land on the right side, yeah? Can you choose another side?
Yeah. But it was excruciating. The piriformis was, the lateral rotators were really bad.
So... What you have? What?
No energy at the end of the day from 4 o'clock on. It's just I'm wiped out.
Because you're pain.
Yes.
Because you're pain. Now it's like almost 1:30.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good for a couple more hours, and then I just want to sit down and relax.
All right.
My back's actually hurting me. Sitting like this right now.
How much from 0 to 10?
6.
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
What else aggravates your pain?
It's on the left side right now too.
Okay.
It seems.
Okay.
Working, any household
standing and walking and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me briefly, like what kind of treatment you had before?
So before the treatments that I had I started off with a great deal of massage therapy.
Massage therapy, you had massage. What else? You had chiropractor.
Yeah, I was seeing him 3 times a week, and we were doing physical therapy.
You did physical therapy, Graston,
decompression neck, and low back decompression, and massage therapy, and chiropractic adjustments.
So you had everything on the menu.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, but you did not have ASTR yet, so we'll try it today.
Well,
Awesome. All right. So we're going to do the motion that aggravate your symptoms, and you tell me from 0 to 10 how much pain, so we can reassess after the treatment, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I want you to stand up. Okay. So you're going to mark in your legs. Do you feel pain now standing?
I do, and I feel it here.
Okay. 0 to 10. How much?
Right now it's a 7. I just got up off that table.
7,
it's
sorry.
Sharp
pain. Okay, sorry about that. So with your hands going down to your legs, we want to mark down and bend forward. Mark down how far you can go down, and the pain increase.
Right now I'm feeling a little...
I want to see it see in your legs, like slide your hands on your legs while you're going down, like both of them.
Okay, so both legs? No pain. I don't feel any pain. It's actually feeling good because it's
going
stretching.
Down. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, come back up.
Okay. So right about here is where I'm feeling the pain.
Mark it in your legs. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, by your knee. Okay. Yeah. Coming up. How much from 0 to 10?
Right here.
How much?
A 5 on the right. Okay, on both sides right now.
So that's when you come back. When you come back.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's twist to the left and right and see how you're doing.
Okay.
How's that? You're really tight.
I'm feeling tightness on the left back and the right neck.
Okay.
And then over here, I feel it on the right neck.
Mm-hmm.
And still again on the left side.
Okay, side bend left and right. Side bend.
Oh.
The other side.
I'm feeling it on the sciatic and the left side.
Okay, and go the other way.
So now, once
do you feel catching?
Here.
Okay.
Left side.
Okay. So let me actually see you walking. So yeah, because of your background, I will explain what's going on. Okay.
Okay.
So you feel this
Yes.
tightness?
Yes.
That's a tight superficial fascia.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna release it now. Okay.
Okay.
So you feel the tightness. The instrument is not going any further. I'm gonna release it now. How does this feel now?
Feels good?
You feel the mobility?
Yes.
This is moving. I just released that. Compared to this area, I did not release. You feel that tight?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna release it, and I'm not using my hand. I'm using the instrument.
Wow.
Yeah. To save my hand, the goal of I invent this instrument because my hand was killing me just working on the patient.
Ah.
Yeah. And the feedback I have from doctors when they take the class,
Yes.
it's more accurate to use the instrument to assess the problem than using the hand.
And what kind of instrument is it?
So I have I invented 5 instruments for superficial and deep fascia release.
Okay.
Superficial and apparatic fascia release.
Wow.
Yeah, and I have this one for deep fascia release.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So this is the point that it works with?
Yeah. And this is for scar tissue, and there's another one for scar tissue, different size.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
How does it feel now?
Feels fine, yeah.
Can you feel it start to loosen up
I
here?
do.
Yeah.
It feels a little...
Pliable.
Yeah,
Pliable.
indeed.
And instead of it's like full.
Fine.
And you see this in here,
Yes.
here.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, let me see which. Okay. Take this one. And this short is our short, okay? That's a fancy short.
Okay. No, they're not my shorts.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to give you credit for this one.
These are not mine.
Yeah, they are very fashionable. You can see that. It was painful to get up and stand. How is that now?
Don't feel any pain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right, so let's bend forward and come back because before you had pain coming back. So let's see.
Right.
Okay. Look how fast you're going down.
Wow.
Look at that. Beautiful. And coming up, you're coming faster.
Wow.
How's
Yeah.
that?
No pain.
Let's turn left and right. Your trunk. Left and right.
Oh, the trunk.
Yeah.
Okay, I do feel a little bit, not nearly as much. I think I feel like 20% versus 100% pain on this side.
Oh, okay. So where do you feel it? Like on that side?
Yeah.
Okay. This is
And funny enough, it's up higher where we didn't
where we
hit.
did not work.
Yeah, like the
So-
rhomboids.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that later part. Okay, do it again.
Okay,
How's that?
nice.
And the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm feeling right here.
You had a stomach surgery?
No,
Okay.
but I'm feeling something.
Well, you get
It's right here.
let's get back. You're gonna compare the area
Where we had.
and compared to the area we did not release.
Okay.
And you will start to feel, like compare normal to abnormal. But because you did not have this work before, we're going to work on a lot of areas to make it rebalance.
Yeah, I see.
Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Because now we loosen this, your brain starts to compare, wow, this is tight.
Yeah,
You did not notice that because that was
worse.
pain.
Yeah.
But now this is a good side and that's the bad side.
Yeah.
So let's walk back and forth. Turn, like rotate and tell me how this feel.
Oh, okay.
How's that?
Feels great.
And other side.
Yeah.
Okay, let's walk back and forth and tell me how you feel walking. And back. Okay. So any symptoms or you good?
No, I'm good.
All right. So what do you think about ASTR treatment?
I love it.
Thank you. Thank you. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.